Crew 10.
Copy, 1 Alpha.
And liftoff of Crew 10 now
Vehicle
soaring to the
pitching downrange.
International Space Station. 1.7 million pounds of thrust now propelling Falcon 9 and Crew 10. We're continuing to get good call-outs on the first stage performance so far. We're now 40 seconds into today's flight.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Continuing to get good performance call-outs.
Wow. Every moment we watch one of these launches is a thrill. Everything really looks picture perfect. Every one of these crewed missions matters equally to NASA. There are lives on the line after all. But this one, again, has generated so much of attention because of Wilmore and Williams up on the space station. This crew now flying to meet them will replace them, and after a handover lasting a couple of days, Wilmore and Williams will begin their flight home after a space saga that has lasted more than 9 months.